All right, what is up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today is another exciting day here at Warhorse of Camp Hill. We're unboxing a brand new 2025 limited Ducati motorcycle. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right, we got the famous JR here at Warhorse helping us. One of the best looking techs in the world. With those natural baby blue eyes.
It gets you into trouble.
So, is this the first one you guys have received of this one? I don't believe I've seen one of these yet here.
Not in this color.
Yeah, so this is the first one in this color that you've received. And I believe it's a 2025. It is. 2025. This bike is literally from the future. If you've seen Back to the Future, that's where this bike came from. This is amazing. So I'll try and give him a hand here while we're doing this. We're gonna get this beauty unboxed. You can maybe guess what it is already, but I'll tell you right now, it is gorgeous. And Ducati's listening to me, and you'll find out why in a minute. While he's unboxing this, they just got a bunch of other bikes here. If you wanna see any of these other bikes unboxed, let me know in the comment section below. Look at this. They have 5 new Yamahas, 7 new Ducatis, including an X Diavel S, which is a 23 model. They stopped making those, I believe. So if you want an X Diavel, they have one here. And again, if you guys need anything from Warhorse, if you mention my name, JaretCampisi, you get discounts on anything from bikes to parts to service, and they'll take care of you. So we like to give back because you guys have given back so much to us. And it's amazing that we're here working with Warhorse now. Not only unboxing motorcycles, but building our giveaway bikes as well. So we're gonna let him continue to do his thing, and once the metal crate is gone and pulled away and we start to pull this stuff off, I'll let you guys see what this beauty is. All right, so while JR is disassembling the crate that the bike is in, I wanted to come in here and remind you guys we are doing a giveaway with this 2024 BMW M1000R. You can be entered to win this bike by supporting my Patreon page, patreon.com/CampPisiCustoms. It's always the first link in the description below. The bike will be here at Warhorse for this week. We had it here for an event so that people could see it in person, and then you can see obviously the details, how you can win the bike. Just go to my page right there, and then all the rest of my social media pages that are linked in the description below. I also wanted to show, they did get an R1 and a couple R1s. I think most of them have sold. Congratulations to you, crews. They do have a black R1. I believe they sold a black R1 this past weekend as well. And I also wanted to say thank you to everyone who came out to the grand reopening of Warhorse. They had over 500 people here over the weekend. We got to see the Twin Stunt Show. It was a blast. We had a lot of fun. There's more events coming, bike nights. Go to Warhorse's Instagram account. It's just at Warhorse Camp Hill. You can find it through my account as well. And we're gonna be doing a lot more events throughout the summer. So these R7s and R3s have been selling like hotcakes. They did get 2 more of them in. If you're interested, again, come on down. I love this color. Christina is looking for an excuse to buy this bike. That is so gorgeous. So yeah, they have tons of bikes here. They have, I think, over 300 bikes in stock right now, but they do sell quickly. And if there's individual bikes, they might not get another one of a specific model. So make sure that you come in. What is this guy doing?
So this is actually
God only knows.
Food delivery for the Twin Stunts.
Oh, really?
They were here this weekend.
And they're already gone?
And they were so hungry. So we took them out for dinner on Saturday night because they were hungry. And now I'm gonna go see
what kind of
we
food?
ship to them.
That's awesome. I think they have a food sponsorship. I can't remember what it is. It might be Simply Fresh, I don't know. Also, Moto Million might be getting a bike from Warhorse as well for their next build series. And it might be in this lineup right here. Make your guesses in the comment section below. And of course, we have to show the Ducati lineup. This is one of my personal favorites, the V2 in Army Green. I'm actually shocked that it's still here. Maybe something we could add to the build series because I've never done a build with a V2 Street Fighter B4. Beautiful bike, and I love this color. And then they have V4 Street Fighter S, actually 2 of them in red. And they have 2 Diavels. I believe these are the last 2 Diavels he said that they're gonna get this year. And the black one even came from a different store. They've been selling like hotcakes, their new Diavel V4s, and I want one so bad. They also have 2 V4s. I believe one is an S and one is a regular model, but good God, aren't they gorgeous? Oh, and look at this bad boy. An SP model Hypermotard 950. People were begging me to do a build series with one. Maybe it's something I'll do at some point, but in the meantime, if you want one, here it is. And they still have their V4R, the only one they're receiving this year. If you guys want one, they have it here at Warhorse Camp Hill. Okay, the crate is removed. It's time. We got the beautiful Vanna White, AKA Christina Khalil, to help us undo.
I did the easiest part.
And she said there was a fly trapped in there that may or may not be from Italy. Where is it?
It just flew away.
It flew away.
It flew away.
Like right
Welcome to the United States.
Well, welcome to the US. That's pretty much our immigration policy right there. So here it is, folks. A 2025 Stealth Black Panigale V2. And good God, does it look amazing. I was begging Ducati to do black bikes for so long, and they're finally listening. And I gotta say, it looks amazing. So it's two-toned, it's satin black with some glossy black features. And then obviously glossy V2, the red Panigale on there. The wheel even has like half a red stripe on it right there, which is really cool. I think even the wheels in red would have been really cool on this as well. But
I
my
really like it. Look at the seat
God.
too.
Yeah, the seat's all new.
It's basic,
Again,
but it's got some
they
cool
listened.
design.
Remember how I said you slid your balls into
Yeah.
the tank and they just get racked? Look, they made it flatter. They changed the design. They added more foam. It's more comfortable. Look at this. And then all the rest of this is pretty much the same as the V2 Bayless. So they're 155 horsepower. V2, I believe this is the last V2 in Ducati's lineup outside of the Scrambler range, which is technically not a part of Ducati's lineup. It's Scramblers like their own thing. So this is the final V2 left in the Ducati lineup, this and the Street Fighter version of this, obviously.
You've never seen a black V2, have you?
No, this is the first one I've seen in person. So this,
Gorgeous.
they still have the red version of this, which they actually did get a red one as well. The white one is done. Although I think they do have a white version, the one Ben bought, the 2022, I want to say, his Panigale V2 in satin white. I think that is here for sale. So if you do want a white one, they do have one white one left. But they're done making the white ones. They've just only making black, I think just for this year, or 24, 25, because it's a 20. Red is their staple, that's always there. So yeah, look how beautiful this is. So these come in just under $19,000. Isn't that crazy? The 959 used to be 15K, and over the past few years, it's $18,895 for the black one. It's $400 more. It's expensive. It's almost 20 grand for a V2. It's crazy.
What would you price it at?
I mean, 12K. But I mean, everything's doubled in price, you know, since COVID.
You haven't seen one yet.
And we
I mean, that's why.
And we haven't seen one, yeah. So yeah, again, 155 horsepower. It's their baby Panigale.
If you get rid of this big old girthy thing back here, it looks so nice and
Onlyfans.com/Christina Khalil.
It'll
Oh
look
my
really
gosh.
nice.
Yeah, obviously, get rid of that. But it does come with the seat cover as well. But even the seat looks bigger, the rear seat.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
But I personally would take that off and take these off immediately. Throw an exhaust on it, a clear clutch, delete the mirrors. Oh, look at this. Even this is black. The front monocoque frame is black. And you can't see the other frame, so I can't tell. Oh yeah, that's black too, which is really nice. Look at you, just peeling stuff off, huh?
Satisfaction. It's like, it feels good
The ASMR feeling.
to peel something.
And then I actually like the glossy front fender as well. That looks really good. Teens just taking stuff apart, huh?
That's it.
That's all? That's all she wrote?
I'm making it easier on JR.
It's beautiful.
You need help.
Yeah, so this comes with a Showa front forks and I think the Sachs rear suspension. And then it has all the rider modes and stuff too. So you're getting traction control. I think it has wheelie control. I can't remember. ABS front and rear. Does it have,
Really control.
yeah, there's your wheelie control.
Right there.
Your wrist.
Yeah.
It pretty much has everything that the big Panigales have. They're just such gems of a bike. Like if I was gonna buy another personal bike, I'd probably buy this right here. And I'm considering it. Yeah, it's so good. I don't know if you guys have ever seen how wave runners show up in their crate, but look, they have to put them sideways so that they fit in the crate. How cool is that? I actually love this color scheme too. Look at that, baby blue with the silver. Absolutely stunning. So they do sell these as well. Okay, so I thought this one came with lithium batteries, but it doesn't. It comes with a normal battery, and it actually comes with battery acid. So you have to actually prep the battery?
Yes.
And that can take a few hours or what?
Yes.
Okay. So unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to start it up because we don't have time to wait around for all of that to happen, and we want him to do it right. He said he could grab another battery and swap it, but you know what? It's fine. It's somebody else's bike. We'll let them do their thing. Again, that's all part of the service and prep fee. After they unbox it, they have to put everything, they have to install everything. The mirrors, they have to prep the battery, get the battery installed. You have to take off fairings to do that. Then they have to start it up. They have to hook it up to the Ducati computer in there, run any updates, make sure it's registered in the computer. They take it out of transport mode, and then they have to take it for a ride and make sure everything works properly, obviously add fuel, stuff like that. So unfortunately, we don't have time today to wait for all of that, but I think that this is really what I wanted to show, is how absolutely stunning this bike is. My only complaint, you guys already know what it is, my only complaint about this bike and about pretty much every Ducati model is the fact that this right here is yellow. And don't say, Jared, it's gold because it's Öhlins, because it's not Öhlins. So that's not an argument anymore. Just make it black, for the love of God, all of them. Just make them all black. But with a few choice mods, this bike, like Christina and I were sitting here staring at this thing, saying we think it's literally one of the most beautiful Ducatis you can buy right now. What do you think, teens? Christina, one of the most beautiful Ducatis you can buy right now?
Oh, 100%.
Go sit on that thing, up the value a little bit.
It makes me want to get it and just put it in the garage and stare at it.
Just to stare at
Hide
it? Maybe just put it in the house. Screw the garage, right? We'll put it in the house. So she had a V2 Bayless. Well, first she had an R3.
I did.
Then she had an
I actually bought it
M1000.
misplaced.
Yeah, then she had an M1000 RR. Then she had a
Bayless.
Panigale V2 Bayless. We gave away 2 of her bikes. Her other one she
The third
sold.
one you give away.
If you'd like me to add this to the giveaway series, let me know in the comment section below. I think it's too close to the Bayless build series. I'd rather do something else. But
it's so
it is beautiful. I think that's the prettiest bike in Ducati's lineup right now, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But that's it for this one. Sorry we weren't able to start it up. Maybe in the future, in our next build series video, we'll be able to start it for you guys. But that's all she wrote. If you guys want this bike or any other bikes at Warhorse, mention my name, you get a discount. Let us know what you think of the Ducati Panigale V2 in black in the comment section below. And if you want any other bikes unboxed, let us know what you'd like to see. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big old juicy thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.